I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360, we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done. Another question that I've seen is does my house need a service upgrade?
Yeah, so one thing that we do for a lot of people in the area, especially homes that were built in the 1960s or the 70s or earlier, is we're actually taking old electric panels and bringing them up to that 21st century standard. So sometimes that's going to be actually increasing the ampacity of your electric panel. So bringing you from 125 or a 100 amp panel up to a 200 amp. Other times that's going to be as simple as swapping out your panel and adding more breaker slots. One of the benefits of this is you're going to be rolling it in with your solar project, so you may be eligible for additional tax credits.